Have you ever thought about putting sunscreen on a wooden fence? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and find out why sunblock for your fence is so important right after this.
Is your home protected from electrical fires? To celebrate National Electrical Safety Month, Leviton and Today's Homeowner are giving away 50 AFCI outlets every day this week. AFCI, or Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter outlets, detect dangerous arcs in your electrical wiring and immediately shut off the electricity. Don't let a crimped cord or damaged wire threaten your home. Enter now at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway for a chance to win a free Leviton AFCI outlet. We're giving away 50 a day.
Everybody knows you need sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. The same principle applies to a wooden fence, but instead of burning, the wood will turn gray, warp, crack, or cup. The solution begins with a thorough cleaning. Use a detergent made especially for fences or decks and a pressure washer to remove the dirt, algae, and mold that are causing it to discolor. It's important that you don't allow the cleaner to dry on the wood. Rinse it off within 15 minutes and be careful not to use too much water pressure. Wood should be washed with pressure between 500 and 800 psi to prevent damage. Once the fence is clean, you'll want to stain or seal the wood to help protect it from the sun's UV rays. An oil stain is the best choice to really penetrate and protect your fence for years to come. I'm Danny Lipford with Tip for Today's Homeowner.